feel like I'm a newscaster reporting the news right now, coming to you live from CBS Beverly Center. Okay, here's what's happening, people. I am back at CBS and I am doing an updated video on people of color friendly products, but drugstore prices. And I've done it before, you guys loved it. And now I'm gonna go back and see a little bit of an update on hopefully brands that are continuing to do it well, but also give you an update on brands that I think newly are doing it well. Try out some new products. I have no makeup on because I'm gonna go do it with all the products that we're testing out. And some of them I'm just gonna like test out that I haven't tried before. So follow me into CVS. All right, so here we are at the CVS in Beverly Center. They've completely redone the beauty area and it's kind of poppin'. We were debating which drugstore to go to, but I specifically wanted to do CVS because I really love their new initiative on Beauty Unaltered. You guys can see, come follow, come hither. Check it out, they have this seal on photos, which basically is saying that their Beauty Unaltered initiative, which really is all about making it so there's no Photoshop done to photos, which about damn time. God bless you, CVS. I think you guys are gonna be really curious to hear this. What is my favorite drugstore corrector? Let me show you. I don't know what that was. Plie. I used to be a ballet. My favorite color corrector for drugstore is from LA Girl, and I've used this for years. My friend Tamana is actually the first person to ever show me how incredible this one is. It is $4.99. It is also made with really not safe, great ingredients for your face. So I'm gonna be honest with you. This is POC very friendly product and it is under $5. You know, everyone who wants to get a Huestick asks for a drugstore recommendation, this is it. Keep in mind, it's not clean and it's not a multi-stick that you can use on an eye, cheek, and lick. So you get the Huestick. But if you're gonna get a drugstore one, this one's great. I want to applaud CoverGirl because CoverGirl is trying. What I really like about them, they have their Queen collection. They really made an effort. But what's even cooler about what they're doing is this idea of vegan clean makeup, vegan tinted moisturizer. I actually have this in the office, so I'm not gonna buy it. I'm gonna use this as my foundation. I haven't actually tried it, so we'll see how friendly it is for women of color, but I appreciate the fact that they've gone vegan. Tinted is obviously vegan too, so like, to me, bravo CoverGirl for making that. I've now tried the CoverGirl twice, and now my face is burning, but I just don't wanna tell you guys the shade works when it like doesn't. And the shades were just like off on me, if I'm being honest, which I really never felt that way about their full spectrum collection. So for me personally, I do not find that to be actually very POC friendly. Tried and true right here, Maybelline, the Super Stay Full Coverage Toffee Caramel 330. It's so great, I love it. And just remember, like with foundations, if you are not a full coverage person, which I'm not most of the time, you can always sheer it out. You don't have to put that much on, and you can always mix it with like a serum or something to make it lighter. Okay, so Neutrogena, I know they're making efforts and trying to be a little more inclusive. I was told that their concealers are incredible. I'm gonna go with almond. First off, this color on point. I do think it's nice and creamy. I feel like my skin looks nice and dewy and glowy, and under my eyes looks like even into it. Okay, back to CoverGirl. I really think this banana color is awesome. I'm not a fan of loose setting powders, like I like it when they're pressed, but I like the color banana, so I'm gonna try it out. That's really cool. It does not test on animals. For an international global brand to make that stance is a huge deal, and hopefully others follow. Everybody loves Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder. It leaves a little bit of gray overcast to me, so I always like to do a little bit of a yellow setting powder. Color-wise, this is very friendly for my skin tone. Oh my God, I totally forgot how much I love this Wonder Stick from NYX. They have these double-ended things where they're really creamy and really nice. They remind me of like the KKW, kind of comps to that. But I just don't think you can go wrong with getting a NYX Deep Tan Bronzer, so I'm gonna try this out too. I got the wrong shades. Just so anyone who's my skin tone knows, the universal is not universal, and the medium tan is not my shade either. There were deeper ones. There were deeper options, to be fair, because I remember using this at my girlfriend's place and loving it. That said, I did get the matte bronzer from NYX also, and I'm just gonna use that as a contour on my skin, like so. This is a really pretty color for me. That looks great. That was actually a really good color. So Maybelline has this entire section, the Brow Shaping Studio, a ton of different shades to find for based on your hair color, which is really cool that they help you do that. I would say I'm more of a black brown, and I really like when there's a pencil that's ultra slim because I already have big old brows, as you can see, so like I just want to fill inside of them. This dark brown is definitely dark brown, heads up. I like the look of just like a little bit of intensity and darkness in the brow color. In my last video, I used this palette. I love it, and the colors are just so beautiful, and they work as incredible eyeshadows and on your cheek, but you guys know how much I love a stick product. So I'm gonna try these monochromatic sticks from them instead this time around. So I'm just gonna go in with the brush and buff it in. This stick, just so you guys know, is shimmery. Almost acts as like my highlighter and blush in one. And I'm actually just gonna take this and put a little wash on my eye because I think it's so pretty. I really like that. It's just like subtle, wearable and pretty. We are working on liners for tinted and trying to make them clean and incredible and really unique, but the reality is most liners are the exact same, if I'm being super honest with you guys. Drugstore is a great opportunity to get a liner if you're gonna get something from the drugstore quality-wise, because they're pretty much the same even in the really expensive one. This is also $3.79, and I love it because you can put it into the pot and make sure it's really nice and wet before you put on your liquid liner. When it comes to lips, I truly think Maybelline has the best pigmented, POC, luscious, beautiful lip selection. These Super Stay Ink Matte is the bomb. But honestly, you really can't go wrong. Like, you really can't. They have color sensational lipsticks, the Super Stay lipsticks. I mean, I kid you not, if you're looking for a lip color and you're a person of color and you're like, want a guaranteed sure bet, Maybelline. All of them. They're so creamy and rich in pigment. I have plenty of these already in the office, so I'm gonna save me some coins and just pick from that selection. They are bomb. I am going in with, if I don't drop them, we're good. These Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks, they're all just incredible. So this is 75 Fighter. They really found a way to make liquid lips moisturizing. Then I'm gonna take 65 Seductress. Do I look seducible? Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you're into this drugstore friendly beauty stuff. I told you, like, as I evolve my channel, I want to continue to do beauty stuff that feels true to me and focusing on things that are like POC friendly, really feel lip tinted. So thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments below what is a drugstore product you find to be very POC friendly, and I'll see you next time.